Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can store all of your files from your file explorer into your Dropbox. Dropbox is an application that can help you store various files, information and data you have into the cloud. To simply store the files, simply open up Dropbox on a Google Chrome browser and then log into your account. Here you can see that I am already on my Dropbox account, and on the home screen you can see a option for upload right here. You can simply click on the upload option, and now it will show you two of the options, that is either upload your files directly or you can simply upload the whole folder as well. Simply click on the type you want to upload or add into your Dropbox, for example files. And after doing so, you can see that it will open up a different kind of box on your screen, and you'll be able to add any kind of files and upload it into the cloud of your Dropbox. And that is how you can add or upload all of the files from the File Explorer into your Dropbox. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.